welcome back to the channel. Today we have got round 2 of the Sugarbox UK. I have snacks and galore over here. You might see them in actually in videos that I have pre-recorded. So, oops, because I'm going to be filming a lot in this shirt. So, I have got a few of them. So the stuff that I did get in the last box that I'm not going to show in this box, except from one of the items, because I want to show you how much I love that product, and I want so many of them. But I have chilled some of these contacts as well, the drinks. So at Sugarbox UK you can get stuff like mystery boxes and stuff like that. So last time they gave me, each bag was given so I can find out which one's which. This time they gave me the boxes, but it literally just a random mix stuff which wins, so I had to guess which one's which. So we're going to start off for the first one. I need to just move because I will have to pause a little bit because to find space. So the first one is this. So it's not actually fully chilled yet, but it's cold enough for me to actually taste it. It's supposed to be a brain freezer slushie, like one of these. So I've never actually tried one of these, and obviously it's blue raspberry and it's brain freezer. So I need scissors. So I'm not gonna try all of it, as it's gonna go everywhere. Can't smell anything. Oh no, I can definitely smell the blue raspberry. I'm not gonna show because it's still liquidy. I'm gonna try it. If that was definitely frozen a lot, that'd be so much better. But I'm quite surprised they gave me, obviously, a frozen item, which you don't normally get frozen. So these are, I call Jubbly Bubblies. This is this one. So I need to go and put this somewhere so I don't have to spill it everywhere. 1 second, guys. Okay. Now my hand's a bit sticky. Let's try this one next. I feel like this is so most of the drinks. This is a Mogu. So I actually got 2 of these. I'm only showing you one of them because obviously I'm trying one. If I like the other one stays in the fridge. So I'm not sure. I'm guessing this is from Japan, because obviously we have the the snacks, the cakes, the Japan, the large variety, small, large variety of the large one, blah blah blah. So I don't know which one's which, but I'm guessing this might be it. This is a blackcurrant flavoured drink with nata de coco. Gotta chew. So there's bits that you gotta chew inside. So I don't know if I'm actually going to like this. So we will see. But I'm quite nervous. It smells okay, but I don't know if I'm gonna like this. Okay, the juice is not too bad, but the bit, I do like the chewy bit. Nope. That is fine. Let's go with this. A Warhead Sour Blue Raspberry Soda. A sour drink. What is this? So let's try. So obviously I'll leave my Instagram down below that I use my other one, and you can see my ratings of these candies. Is it blue? I don't want to tip it. Yeah, it's definitely blue. Ooh. It's quite bland. There's literally like, I can't taste any blue raspberry in it. But that's not too bad. Next up, we're going to go for the Dr. Pepper Vanilla Float. So I don't like any other flavour than just the ordinary Dr. Pepper. So this is going to be interesting. It smells like a Dr. Pepper. And tastes like a Dr. Pepper. Am I missing something? Am I supposed to add this to a cup and add ice cream to it? Please leave a comment down below for me, guys. That does taste like a Dr. Pepper. Okay, next one we're gonna go for, obviously Japan, Dragon Ball. So this is a white grape flavour sparkling water. So we had the Sailor Moon one, and I did not enjoy it. It smells nice. It smells quite sweet. It smells nice, but then obviously it's sparkling water, and I hate sparkling water. Ew. No. Okay. We know what this is. We all know what it is. Ramanu. I can't say it, okay? Struggle with me. Okay, get the lid off. So these are always hard for me to do. I don't know which ones I've tried. I've tried plenty loads of them, so I'm not sure which one I tried last time. But this is the one I tried last time because I did check all my videos. I did check them all to make sure they're all in. But excuse me. Okay. It kind of bubbled over. Now my hands are all wet. Oh. Ah! This smells like I don't know, but it smells really good. I don't know, but I need to wash my hands because my hands are wet. Okay, get myself sorted on that one. So let's just get to make sure you know this one. We have Coke. I'm not going to open this up. I'm just going to save this for later, but I thought I'll show you this nice glass bottle of Coke, and this will be my saviour for later on. So I'm not going to open that. So the next drink is we have a C&C blue raspberry. So we have a lot of blue raspberry items. So we have this. Never heard of it, don't know what it is. So it's obviously fizzy, but another blue raspberry stuff. Get free stuff at cccola.com. Pardon me. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. I like that. Nicey, nicey, but my hands are very sticky still. Oh, come on. Ew, my hands are very, very sticky still. Okay, and the last final drink is this. This is a 3D energy drink. I've wanted to try one of these, and when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, yes. This is scented cotton candy as well. Cotton. American Wood 3D. This is the first time I've ever heard of this. Cotton candy. I love the nice pink as well. They have different colours. Like, I mean, they have loads. It just smells very sweet. Oof. I don't know. I don't know about that. That just tastes weird. Okay, let's get to the snacks because I'm getting hungry. So I have two of these. These are one of my favourite chocolate things. So this is what we got last time. Get it arranged. Right. This is my favourite. And then we got given this one. And this says something about mango. So this might taste like mango. So I'm going to try the mango one first. If I don't like the mango, I'm going to eat the regular one. And I want more of these. Please give me more. So the mango. It's literally like white chocolate. Like a white chocolate finger. I don't like that. I don't like that flavour. It tastes like chewing gum. So I'm going to eat the regular one. I had it in the fridge as well. So I literally had to finish that and chew. So the only drink I'll be drinking in this video is my Red Bull. Because it's good. Okay, so I'm going to start from this side. They had a little chocolate here. So we have something called the Fifth Avenue. Creamy peanut butter enriched chocolate coating. So it just sounds like a Reese's Pieces. Which we do have one of those, by the way. But because this is smushed and melted, I had to put it in the fridge. And now it looks like shit. I mean, poop. Oh. So it tastes like one of those Nutter Butters thingies. No, Butterfingers. It tastes like a Butterfinger because it has like layers. I don't know. Nope. Oh, it's in my mouth. I've got more chocolate. So, obviously I'm not a big fan of peanut butter, but I'm going to try it for you guys. We have Reese's Take 5. Pretzels, caramel, peanut butter, peanuts, and chocolate bar. So, okay. So, this is what it looks like. That's so salty. Oh. That is way salty. Nope. Can't do it. Okay, so the next one we have is a Kit Kat. This is mint and dark chocolate. So I think I have tried this before, but not actually by them. And obviously, again, melted. Can't really do much about it, but these are good. Because last time we had the pink one, and that was gross. But I like mint chocolate, and I love dark chocolate. Uh-oh, it broke. Oh. So literally looks like that. Chocolate side. Okay, this just tastes like a mint chocolate ice cream. Kit Kat form. Oreo. Next we have the Hershey Cookies and Cream. I have tried this, but not in front of you guys, so. A lot of people saying Hershey's chocolate for you guys are cheap chocolate. Something like that. So it's white chocolate with like cookies inside it. So it's okay, but I don't really like white chocolate as much, but it does taste very bland to me. Then I've got this banger. This is Yoo-Hoo Candy Bar, milk chocolate flavour. And again, like I said, it's melted. All these stuff melt, basically. It was a hot day when they delivered it. So, that's what it looks like. Literally a piece of chocolate. It smells one of those, does taste like chocolate. Yeah. That's my mouth now. Let's go for something a little bit more. Right, let me just go for these first. So we got these Swedish fish jelly beans, but because we're had to film on today, these are actually out of date. Now, they went out the 30th. So they're not out of date, sorry. I lie. But I will not be eating these enough, because I don't like Swedish fish anyway. I forgot I would film these 2 days before, but bye. Nope. Absolutely not. Whew. Okay, then we have got some ding dongs. So I've always wanted to try these because I've seen them and I'm like, oh my god, I want to try them now. So it looks like it's just a massive cake thing. It smells good. It smells like Play-Doh. Or has it got chocolate in the mouth? Why? It literally tastes like Play-Doh, guys. Don't like that. Let's go for some salty. Let's go to crisps. So last time we had the original Takis. We've now got the Takis, or whatever you call them, the blue heat ones. These are hot chili peppers. We've got the blue ones this time. So that's what they look like. Let's go for a small one. It's not really small, but that's what they look like. Holy snabbers. Wow, that will wake you up. Whoa. Okay. They good. Like, they were good. Oh, there you go. Okay, so next up we have some pretzel bites. So these are seasoned pretzel pieces, cinnamon brown sugar. I don't really like pretzels. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. I did not mean to burp, guys. I swear. Ooh, that's cinnamony. So I don't think you can see the pretzel pieces inside, but you can smell the cinnamon. I'm gonna grab a small piece because these are gonna be some strong ass things. Okay, they're actually not bad. They are not bad at all. Okay, next crisps. We have something from Andy's Caps. Taste of the oven baked crunch. Beer battered flavoured onion rings. Beer battered. Wonder how that's going to be though. Life is better with a side of rings. Oh. I like my onion rings that we got here. They smell like nothing. Literally nothing. So they look like this. Ugh. No. I'm sorry. I know there's a lot of things that people might like these, but I'm a really, really fussy person. And I hate most things. That I don't like. Next up, we have the TGI Friday Party Bikes, Corn Snack Buffalo Ranch. So we had something from the brand from this one, but a different flavour. This is Buffalo Ranch one, so we're going to see how these ones taste. Okay, so they look like cheese puffs, but they look like a bit more spicy. Where's the buffalo? Where's the ranch? They're just bland. Maybe I have to have to eat like loads to understand the taste, but no, before you say, you can't taste anything, they don't have flavour, you just have COVID. I went, no. Trust me, don't have COVID, I can taste it. If I can taste those hot Takis, I will definitely be able to taste these freaking Carolina Reaper freaking cheese puff things. These are from Harris. We have tried a brand from them before, last time. And this is a big ass bag, okay? Now, if I get these in like a year, I'll probably give these to my sister for Christmas because she loves like hot stuff, and I know she wanted to try these. But so other than baked with real cheese. Don't really smell hot, but there's some big cheese puffs. Right, I'm not gonna. I don't want to shove one all in my mouth because yeah, I can do things, but Carolina Reaper, we'll try. Ugh. Nope. No. Let's move on. So we have a Payday. So this is like a chocolate peanut butter caramel bar. I need some chocolate in my mouth. That was, no. Literally looks like someone just pooped out this. I'm sorry. Literally just reminds me of a Snickers bar that we got here in the UK. But it's good. Okay. Let's go from these Pokemon little stuff. So we've got 5 packets of these little Pokemon stuff, these little hard candy sweets. And they have different flavour. So this one, I don't know what the names are. This one looks like to be grape. So we're going to try the flavour. And then see which one I'm keeping. So they look like this. These just taste like grape, so that's good. I'm going to take this out so I can get to the next one, because these are hard candies. So the next one we have is this one, and it looks like it's going to be something melon. Ooh, that was a bit powder form. Boop. And obviously it's going to be green. They taste like the Smarties. Right, then we have this one, which is going to taste like cola by the looks of it. Oh, that definitely smells like cola. That's cola-like. Then we have this one, which is looks like it's going to be the Ramunu. I've got to learn how to pronounce these words properly, to be honest. Let's go. Sorry, I know that's unattractive on there. And then I do know this character. This is a Pikachu. So this is going to be pineapple. So apparently you're supposed to hear it this way. Or that way. I don't know, but... Rip! I don't think you see that, but that was a lot of powder. Pineapple one, good. That's good. Okay. So we have some Oreos. Obviously, I'm not going to try Oreos because everyone has tried Oreos, and these are more stuffed ones. So these will go in my pot of galore. Then we have some M&Ms. These are white chocolate. So I'm going to see how these are going to taste, because obviously, like I did say, I don't actually like white chocolate. So, never seen white chocolate M&Ms either. So it looks like an M&M. If I can get it out the paper. Literally looks like an M&M. Might have white chocolate in it. Right, we'll try those ones later. No. Okay. Twinkies. I had the chocolate one version and they were okay, but I was disappointed. I know I'm going to be disappointed by these because, funny enough, a friend of mine actually gave me some Twinkies and let me try them. So I've actually tried them. So I'm not going to open these. But I am going to try these. Mini donuts. Look how much powder are on these babies. Literally mini ass donut pouches for Mrs. Freshly's. Make it life sweeter. Like seriously, look how coated that is. I'm gonna have a sugar rush later. Okay, there we go. We have these Twizzlers nibs. Obviously, when I said in the last video, I don't like, for some reason, I don't like anything that's licorice. I used to like blackjack, but then I've seen that they changed the recipe. Because when I had it when I was younger, it tasted so good. Now I had blackjacks literally the other day, and they tasted absolute crap. So I will not be giving these. These are going to go to my friend of mine, because she likes these. Next up we have is Skittles again. We have the wild berries. I have actually tried wild berry flurries. Skittles, I mean. Flurries. So, we got a nice peach one. I'm going to use them for my snacks later on for the movie. Okay, then we have two Laffy Taffy ones. So these Laffy Taffies, I had the mystery flavour ones and they were gross. So these are, this is a little bit banana one. It says there's jokes on every paper. So it says, what type of grade only gets better? An upgrade. And what type of scan can prevent an infection? An antivirus. So I don't actually like Laffy Taffy, and I don't like eating stuff that's really chewy as well. So, but banana one does sound good, but I'm giving that to my friend as well. I know I'm chucking them that way, but trust me, there I have got like boxes where I put them in there. Then we have obviously this Laffy Taffy one. This is a cherry, and this has jokes on it too. Let's see, how many do we have? How did the banana mobile escape? It peeled out. Nose joke stinks, but eyes jokes are canina? I don't know. That's not even funny. Okay, then I've been given two of these things. So I've got a Nutter Butter sandwich cookies, and then I've got these sandwich cookies, Nutter Butter. Again, don't really like peanut butter, so I'm going to leave them to the side and give them to my friend. Because, actually, I might give them to my sister. She likes peanut butter. Oh, I forgot. More Skittles. We have Tropical. I have tried these. I'm not going to open them up. Pardon me. Oh my god, I'm literally going to be... Ugh. Okay, so we have these. This is called Now and Later Flavour Changes Mixed Fruit Morphers. So the experience of flavour evolution. So what? They kind of thing. So we have a blue raspberry lemon, a cherry mango, a grape watermelon, and a lemon lime strawberry. Okay, so they come in the little packages. That's actually really cute. So we have these ones. We have the blue ones. The red ones, and then the green ones. So I think I'm going to try the red one. So over here barking. I do apologise, that's my next door neighbour's dog. Can you please let me get in there? Thank you. Ah! So they literally look like this. This is going to be some mango stuff. Cherry mango. Like I said, I don't really like mango. So this is going to be an interesting one. Okay, so it's cherry outside, mango inside. No. Sorry, that texture tastes like absolute Play-Doh. I'm being dead serious. That tasted like Play-Doh texture. Now I'm afraid to try these because these are just the original apple, strawberry, grape, cherry, and banana. I'm not going to actually open these up. I'm going to give them to my friend. No, I can't do that. I'm sorry. So we have some Airheads. So we have the Bite Paradise Blend. We have the Cherry Pineapple Blast, Citrus Rush, a White Mystery, Raspberry Lemonade, and Blue Hawaiian. I want to try the flavour. Oh, try and see if you've got every flavour for. Okay. Looks like the first one we're trying is the White Mystery. So that white one was definitely changing flavours. I have no idea what that was. Now I'm afraid to try this one. So we have green, which is Citrus Rush. I like that one. A Blue Hawaiian. No. No. I need pink. Pink one is Raspberry Lemonade. Sounds okay, but a bit boring. Then we've got the red one, which is a Cherry Pineapple Blast. That was good. Okay, let's go for more chewy stuff. So we have this. I've always wanted to try these because I've seen them. This is fettuccine. I hope I've said that wrong. No, I definitely said it wrong. But I don't know how this is going to be. I've always wanted to try one, but I'm quite scared to try them right now. Because they look like this. It's like a gummy thing. That isn't that bad. Pop-Tart. So we have the brown sugar cinnamon. We have toast Pop-Tarts here, but they don't taste great, to put it simple. And I'm not a big fan with brown sugar cinnamon. So I'm afraid I'm not actually going to eat this because I'm already on a sugar high. If I eat too much, I'm literally going to crash. And I'm not even finished yet. So, one, I have tried these. These are delicious. I freaking love these. I want a whole pack of them. And I have tried these before, these mango pockies. Did not like them. They were gross. As you can see, mango. Don't like mango flavoured stuff, but looks of it. But they weren't that bad. But don't like mango stuff, so I tried it when I went to Comic Con. I got like a mystery pocky set, and I tried those, and let's go for these. So we have the Sour Patch Kid, the berry flavoured, sour then sweet. So we have like a berry flavoured. It doesn't tell me which ones, so let's try this one. I think that one's strawberry. Just reading the ingredients, and right there it says natural and artificial flavour 40 red 40 and 1 blue. But obviously there's more. So I think there's one colour in here that I got. I didn't eat is this colour one. This is grape flavoured. Grape is a berry, isn't it? I don't know. The ship's grapes. Okay. Let's go for these. Krabby Baddies. Gummy candy. SpongeBob. Oh, that's cute. They actually come in these little packets. Oh, that's cute. There you go. I'm going to show you the package. You got a little SpongeBob there. No! And then we have the Krabby Patty. So we have literally a thing all separate. And then meat. It looks like I'm not going to... Should I try and take a bite of it? One bite. It tastes like those gummy pizzas I've got in the UK. Or the hot dogs. Little gummy pizza thingies. But they do taste like that. Yes, my face looked weird on that, but that's because of that. Next up, we're going to go this one. We have the fruit roll-ups. We've tried roll-ups. We've got strawberry sensation, tropical tie-dye, and blue raspberry. I'm going to go try one of these. One. I'm ready for me in the box. Hello? Wait, what? Okay, so this is a fruit roll-up. Which one did I get? Blue raspberry. Oh, this is definitely different. Our roll-ups we got are like in a bowl. Look, it has like little things on it. I'm just going to try a little bit on the side. It doesn't taste bad, but I feel like if I frozen them, it would be nice and crackle. Actually, I might do that. You do get quite a few packets in there. Like, you get 10 roll-ups in there. I'm getting... I don't know, 10. So you must get like, I don't know. Then we have Pop Rocks, crackling gum. I can't eat gum, so I can't actually afraid to eat this. So, but we're gonna open up and see it. Apparently it's bubble gum. It smells like bubble gum. And then lastly we have so we have kiwi, pineapple and mango. Now I've always wanted to try haikus. Let's try one of each. So we have, obviously don't like mango, but we're going to try them anyway. So we have the mango one in the red. Come on. Oh, bite of that one then. That took off like anything. Okay, we'll just try pineapple and the kiwi one. Let's try pineapple. Pineapple. So it looks like this. That just tastes weird. And then we have kiwi. Oh, this one's actually got like kiwi bits, so it looks like a kiwi. I like that one. So the kiwi is coated with chia seeds. The pineapple one apparently has got double layer of flavour. Probably why it tasted quite weird for me. But that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this random video of number 2 of Sugarbox UK unboxing of me eating loads of stuff that I probably won't ever eat again. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time for the next video. Bye. Oh, I feel ill. Ew.